Good morning, children. Today let's discuss the properties of division of integers. See, if you have two integers, say a and b, then a divided by b, it is not necessary the result will be an integer. For example, for addition, subtraction as well as multiplication, the answer was always an integer, but it is not necessary for division. Then if you divide the same integer, you will always get 1 except for 0. 0 divided by 0 you will never get 1, but any other integer, for example -8 divided by -8, you will get 1. हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा, +1 रहेगा. ओके, वाई +1? सी, यहाँ पे दोनों है प्लस एंड प्लस. हियर both are minus and minus. It is same only if both are having the same sign as well as the same numerical value. Fine. It is 1 6 plus 1 6 and this is also plus 1 6. Then only it will be 1. अगर plus 1 6 divided by minus 1 6 रहता है, it would never be 1 because these two plus 1 6 and minus 1 6 are not same. Fine. Then if an integer a is divided by 1, then you get the same integer. For example, 7 divided by 1, that is 7. -6 divided by 1, that is equals to -6, same integer. Then if you have an integer a and a is not equal to 0, and if you divide 0 with that integer divided by 0, then you will get the answer 0. For example, 0 will be the numerator and any denominator 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, any, the answer will always be 0. But this any number, any integer, you divide it by 0, you write suppose 5 divided by 0. That is actually not meaningful. It is meaningless. 5 divided by 0, 4 divided by 0, 6 divided by 0. Any such number, it is meaningless. Yet we don't know the calculation. Okay. Then you have, if there are three integers a, b and c. Fine. Then for multiplication you had a into b into c is equals to a into whole b into c. But here it is not so. A divided by b whole divided by c is not equal to a divided by, within the brackets, b divided by c. Fine, it is not the same. These are not the same. Similarly, if you have any non-zero integers and the condition is if first one or whatever, for example here a, b and c, so a is greater than b, then for that divided by c is greater than b divided by c. If c is positive, the condition applied is c should be positive. जिस number से, जिसको भी denominator में रख रहे हो, वो अगर positive है, then only the condition is such. If the denominator is negative, then it will be just the reverse. a बड़ा है, तब भी वो b divided by c. a divided by c will be smaller than b divided by c. For example, here 27 is greater than 18, and let's take the third example as 9. So 27 by 9 is greater than 18 by 9. And for the second one, we can take this 27 is greater than 18 and the third integer is -9. So 27 by -9 is smaller than 18 by -9. Fine.